Next one, L. Do not glorify yourself. One who gives tzedakah is not permitted to glorify himself with tzedakah he has contributed. One who does glorify himself forfeit the merit of tzedakah, of mitzvah. And this is very popular. And so let's read it again, and we're going to explain. Do not glorify yourself, meaning that the person on many people, they want acknowledgement. Okay, and it, in some sense, it makes sense, right? Logically it makes sense. So he donated, like, I don't know, $5,000, let's say, $10,000, $100,000. So he wants to be acknowledged. He wants his name to be there, right? Of course, not to push into everybody, but usually it's proper. Even the person did not say that he donated, right? Unless he's absolutely against. So the shul or whoever received this huge amount should be grateful to that person. Put some kind of plaque or something. But sometimes these people, they they push and say, no, I want my name to there. And I was in a few shuls, so everything has a plaque, like the candelabra, like huge one, like they had 4 in the shul and 4 plaques. Like you can see from the bottom, from the men's section, you see who actually donated. Such a huge names, like letters. Of course, it makes it ugly, but what can you do? And everywhere like plaques. And somebody sent me just recently one very respectful rabbi. And he's trying to build a shul for many years, and he's trying to sell like honors. So honor, like a library, this main hall, this amount. If you want the Aron Kodesh, that amount. The floor, the entrance door, mezuzah, this and that. So they're trying to raise money. Of course, they're not going to put all of these plaques. I hope so, right, on every mezuzah, like who donated, but some people, they insist on this, on being recognized. And as it says here, so one who glorifies himself, right, like because I donated, I built this shul, right, forfeits his merit of the mitzvah. I mean, he got all the respect in this world, so that's it. Okay, not a good idea. But some people, they would not donate otherwise. So what can we do, right? So if the only thing that to prompt them to donate, to glorify them, I mean, to give them compliments, to put their name, okay, that's what people must do. And it's not forbidden. Just it's not forbidden. Okay, so continue. Here we go. Publicizing those who give tzedakah. Number 1, even though one may not glorify himself through the giving of tzedakah, one may write his name on a gift that was donated to a yeshiva or a shul. For example, if one contributes a large sum of money to build a yeshiva or a shul, he may have his name written on it, so that the people should know that he performed a mitzvah with his money. So okay, and we see there are names on many buildings. Other buildings that I did not see name. I don't know. Everywhere. Not only it is permissible, that it is proper to do so, as long as one's intention is not to glorify himself. This type of gesture will encourage others to emulate him. So other people, not because of a great intention, but they also want their names, the name to be there, right? Okay. This din that one can place the name of something he donated is only applicable when the person donated the money for the object or the physically built it. For example, if one person built a mikveh, he can have his name placed on it. However, one who only collected the money to have it built has no right to place his name on the building. That's a very interesting thing, right? So if somebody, I don't know, build himself, I don't know, and donate something, or they paid for that, yes, so we can put his name. but somebody collected money, so meaning he did not invest in it, right? Even though he invested his time, right? And it says that the one who prompts other people to give is actually have a greater merit than the one who gives, but not in this halacha. We cannot put his name on it. Number 2, there is a dispute among the poskim whether one who did not have his name placed on a gift at the time of donation can insist a later date to have placed it there. In the event there was were to happen, one should consult halakhic authority. Here's the big problem with that. So, and I'm going to explain what is there is a dispute. Okay, before you gave the gift and you want to put your name, okay, that's understandable. But after you gave a gift, so when in a sense, so it's still the money that person gave on like invested in whatever this gift to begin with. But on another hand, once you give the gift, he must understand that it's no longer his. Yes, he donated, yeah, but now it belongs to the whole community. It belongs to the shul, it belongs to yeshiva, it belongs to this organization, and it's holy. That's it. He has no connection to it. Yeah, he gave it at one time, it was his, but now it's not his. So like somebody would come to my house and say, you know what, I want to put a plaque on your chair that it's actually my chair. Like I donate. Like, you normal? Like, what is the connection? So same as here. So I'm not sure why would somebody insist. Just read the Torah and be holy. Learn the Torah and be holy and forget about these donations. Okay. So as our sages teach, whatever person remembers, Hashem forgets. Whatever person forgets, Hashem remembers. So it's a very good formula to live by. Just do mitzvah and go look for the next opportunity. Don't insist on all of the kavod. Continue. Number 3. If one wants to donate something to a shul or yeshiva only on a condition that his name be placed on it, and the institution does not agree, the donor cannot force them to accept his gift. It's very interesting. I'm not sure how he can force them to accept the gift. I mean, maybe like pressure them. Okay. Right, so, and they do not want to put his name, right, and maybe he's some wicked person. He's the guy who intermarried, so somebody who does not keep Shabbat. So now his name is going to be on our building. You normal? His Jessica wife? Like, okay. So we finished the chapter. Any questions on what we said so far? Yes.
I don't know. I have a question about putting I don't know, like sacred texts on the buildings, but I don't know if it's directly related to this topic. I don't know.
No, there's no connection there. I mean, you can put usually people not on a bill, like inside on Aaron Kodesh they put a verse. Unless the sick people, sectarians, they would put actually some about the other things, not the verse, but other things. And I saw it with my own eyes.